Number 1, ulcer. Ulcer is an elevated gastric acid. It is an open source in the mucous membrane, epithelial surface, or the mucosal lining of the body. Tapos, it occurs frequently at the stomach and duodenum, where acid and pepsin activity are greatest. Next is the gastric ulcer sa ating stomach. Pain felt with food intake. Tapos, signs and symptoms include frequent vomiting, periodic pain, and loss of appetite. Tapos, 50 years and above are predisposed to gastric ulcer. Next is the duodenal ulcer sa ating duodenum, usually but not always relieved by food. Pain lasts 2 to 3 hours after meal and is common in 30 to 60 years old na tao. Then next is heartburn, occurs after meal. It is the regurgitation of digestive juices into the esophagus, and the lower esophageal sphincter relaxes inappropriately, causing gastric acid to reflux. Next is antacids. Antacids neutralizes acid as one-time dose. It brings gastric acid pH above 3, and antacids in the stomach may impair absorption of other drugs. Tapos, histamine 2 stimulants. Histamine 2 stimulants is a potent stimulator of gastric secretion contained in mast cell along gastric mucosa. It heals ulcer. Tapos, it heals ulcer 60 to 80% in 4 weeks, and it prevents ulcer and treat GERD. Next is the proton pump inhibitor. Inhibits hydrogen and potassium ions within parietal cells in the stomach, which is responsible for gastric production. So, 30 to 60 minutes before breakfast, tinitake ito, and it is a short-term management of benign gastric ulcer, duodenal ulcer, and GERD. Next is the antiemetic agents. Inhibits vomiting, blocks different neurotransmitters, and may have anticholinergic and extrapyramidal symptom effect. Next naman is the emetic agents, forces vomiting, not absorbed systematically, and vomiting occurs within 15 to 30 minutes after matake yung medicine or drug under emetic agents. The next is the lubricant. It coats the surface of feces and colon to ease the passage of stool. So ito, it's often fecal mass. Tapos, ang onset niya is 6 to 8 hours. Next naman is the benzodiazepines, usually classified as sedative hypnotic agent. It is a management of status epilepticus. Tapos, treatment siya ng seizure caused by alcohol withdrawal. Next is the anti-Parkinson's. It is a disease involving the basal ganglia which produces dopamine. So, it is an imbalance between dopamine and acetylcholine. Tapos, some indications include idiopathy and drug-induced Parkinsonism. Next is the centrally acting cholinergics, reduces incidence and severity of akinesia. It also reduces drooling and depressed mood. So, it is a mild Parkinsonism in younger clients and for drug-induced Parkinsonism. Next is the CNS stimulants. It stimulates a specific area of the brain and the spinal cord. It mimics the effect of epinephrine and norepinephrine and elevate mood, produce a sense of increased energy and alertness. Next is anti-epileptic agents, stabilize neuronal activity in the brain, also known as anticonvulsants, and it is a medication used to treat epilepsy and other seizure disorders. Next naman is stimulants. It stimulate peristaltic activity causing passage of stool. So, treatment siya of constipation due to prolonged bed rest and pag nagtitake ka ng constipating drugs. Tapos, it is used to evacuate bowel before surgery. Next is the bulk-forming laxatives. It is high fiber. Tapos, absorbs water to increase bulk. Distends bowel to initiate reflex bowel activity. Onset niya is 12 hours to 3 days. Next is psychosis. It is a major emotional disorder with an impairment of mental function. Tapos may tatlo siyang type of functional psychosis, organic psychosis, and toxic psychosis. So it is managed with antipsychotic medications that block dopamine. Next is schizophrenia. It is a group of psychotic disorder characterized by fragmented perception and distorted thought. So, symptoms include delusion, hallucination, and psychosis. May dalawa siyang classification, atypical or the negative symptom, and the typical and or positive symptom. And last, anti-anxiety, sedatives, and hypnotics. Ito naman, nire-reduce niya yung anxiety, sedation, and sleep induction. It is a controlled substances and may dalawa siyang category which is yung benzodiazepine and non-benzodiazepine.